Yolanda's cooking channel.
Hello, make a strawberry cake with me. I am Karina, Yolanda's daughter, as you may know her from her cooking channel. So the ingredients we're going to use is strawberry cake, like the box, of course. 3 eggs. I already mixed it up though. Box of Jell-O. 1 stick of butter. Oh, it's good that it's melty because I'll show you why in a little bit. But we're going to use half of a Hershey's bar, chocolate bar, and 1 cup of water. We're gonna put some oil in the pan. We're gonna rub it around, and then we're gonna put some flour in it, which is gonna make the cake not stick to the pan. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's get started. You want to mix it around. Uh-oh, we forgot to preheat the oven at 350. Okay, let's do that now before it's too late. Okay. Bake. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna press start. Uh-oh, we forgot the Jell-O. Okay, let's put it in the Jell-O. You want to mix it around so it gets everywhere. Minutes starting now.
Yolanda's cooking channel.